stupid in order to gain your attention, I would like to present you an idea of how to build your own cloud. New challenges have been raised for the application developers since the people that you are making your applications have become much more mobile than they used to be. Also, data synchronicity has become an issue because you can work on multiple places, for example here at Tampere or at Helsinki. Also, availability has become quite an issue since you can be really somewhere that there is no such network available that you could use. For example, when I took a train from Helsinki to here, at Pasila, my 3G network dropped down. So that's the real quality that operators offer us today. Well, there is a solution that answers for the two first problems. You can upload all your data to some Google or Apple's cloud, but there are some drawbacks. That is the way that happens to your data, really. Google owns you and your data, really. And Apple, well, you pay them, but if you publish something, they get your copyright, almost everything, every part of it, really. But let's talk about the issue that is the true thing behind this all. How to arrange the data storage of your application. And I've taken an example of Apple's core data here. It's a framework for OS X applications that you can use to store your data. And of course, I wouldn't be here if there wouldn't be a solution from free software. Use Midgard too. That's not another CMS, really. Really. First, I would like to introduce one quite good feature of Midgard. It's dbus. You can use it for inter-process messaging. For example, if you build two different Midgard applications, the natural way to share about the events that happen to the data is via a dbus, and it's built in there. The second great thing is replication. That is used for transferring all your data from the computer to some another computer or between databases or whatever you wish. And third thing is that nowadays Midgard 2 supports multiple languages, so you are not stuck anymore with just PHP or C. You can use Python or even C#. But what makes this really interesting is that Midgard 2 is database independent almost. It uses libgda, which means that with replication you can transfer your data from MySQL database, for example, to PostgreSQL database. So, quite good features. So, what do we really have here? This is a core data for open source. This is what I'm proposing. Give it a shot. But as Steve Jobs would say, I still have one more thing. Because the roots of Midgard system, there is this web interface that comes for free for all that data that you store to your database. And by combining these new features, this Midgard gives you unique possibilities, and if you vision a bit, you can even start building up your own little cloud. And I promise that two first persons that did come to me and ask something, I will mark them. And I still have 25 seconds of time, so I can make a paid advertisement. Today, Midgard project has published a new long-term support version of Midgard that is called Ragnarök. That's all.